Let's do challenging things today. Okay, from Tadasana, move to Virabhadrasana, one, right leg behind. Very good. Move to Chaturang. And Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana, Virabhadrasana, one. Chaturang, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Jump forward. Padahastasana. Very good. Hasta Uttanasana. Round 1. Very good.
Good job. Continue the same sequence of asanas for another 10 to 15 times. You will become very strong and flexible.